कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर सेवा कार्यों में आगे बढ़ने के लिए समर्पित हैं और इस दिशा में हाल ही में जो गठित विशेष रूप से हुआ है इंडो अमेरिकन लॉयंस क्लब के लॉन्ग आइलैंड चैप्टर की अध्यक्ष के रूप में इंदु गजवानी इसको नेतृत्व प्रदान कर रही हैं, जो कि विभिन्न महत्वपूर्ण संगठनों के साथ कई वर्षों से सक्रिय रही हैं। इस क्लब के एक वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कनक गोलिया जी भी हैं। इसकी पहले गाला रिसेप्शन का भव्य आयोजन हुआ हाल ही में, प्रस्तुत है उस पर हमारी ये खास रिपोर्ट।
यहाँ पे जो भी दुनिया में हो रहा है वो सब गलत हो रहा है और हम सब उनके साथ हैं। जो भी अफ़गानिस्तान में जिन भी शहीदों की मौत हुई है और उनकी आत्मा को भगवान शांति दे, हम भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करेंगे कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए, सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाए और सब उनका जो दुख दर्द है सब मिट जाए। हमारी यही इच्छा है और हमें बहुत ही खेद है जो भी कुछ दुनिया में हो रहा है। थैंक यू।
My name is Dr. Jay Sarkar and I am the Grand Marshal for this year's India Independence Day celebration. I would like to really congratulate Induji, who is the president of Lions Club, of the Indo-American Lions Club. She and her team, including her husband Sham Gajwani ji, did such a wonderful job. We really had a great time. This is the first gala they have organized. It was very successful, house full, and it was a wonderful program.
I'm Dr. Neeru Bambri. I would like to congratulate Indu Gajwani for the first gala. She did humbly, very sweet, and this was the best gala I ever attended. Gave a lot of honorees she had, and I really congratulate from my heart, and it was one of the best galas she ever presented in the community, short and sweet.
Namaste everybody. I'm Sujata Seth from Parker Jewish, the Indian unit, and I want to say one thing that Lions Club जो है बहुत ज़्यादा कम्युनिटी में embedded है and बहुत सेवादारी करता है। I want to announce to Indu ji that I'm so amazed and so honored that she called me here. I am going to become a member starting today. Thank you.
I'm Kiran Arora. I'm glad to be here. The first gala of Lions Club. They have arranged very beautiful, and I really congratulate the Indu Gajwani, the president, and all the team members.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Krishna Madhipatla. I'm the board of director and finance chair for Indo-American Lions Club. I want to thank everyone for coming for the first gala. I really appreciate your donations and as well as sponsorship to do the needy for all the people who need help. We are doing whatever we can. So thank you very much for helping our club. We did a lot of work last year and we are going to do a lot of work coming few years. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
My name is Kanak Golia. I am the Vice President of Lions Club and proud member of Lions Club. We started this club in 2019 and today we have more than almost 100 members and we are doing too many charities and that's the one of the reason I joined this club.
Hello, my name is Dan Alter, and I'm here with the community on August 29th as we honor our fallen soldiers with a candlelight vigil. This should have never happened in Afghanistan. Our heroes are there, and God bless America, God bless our heroes, and God bless everyone. Thank you.
I'm privileged to join my friends from the Indo-American Lions Club in saluting our American heroes who made the ultimate sacrifice so that all of us can live in freedom and enjoy the privileges that come with a vibrant democracy and multiculturalism. So thank you very much to their families for making the sacrifice that benefits all of us. God bless them all.
We are all very deeply shocked, saddened, but we are sure that their sacrifice will not go in vain. Our country will be even stronger after this episode, and we are very grateful for the sacrifice for the country. Thank you.
This is Mukesh Modi. On behalf of Indian American community, we are doing a candlelight vigil to give tribute to our American heroes who lost their life in Afghanistan. We are doing this candlelight vigil today all over US, including all over the world. We want to give tribute to our American heroes.
We pay our heartfelt tribute to our fallen soldiers in Afghanistan. Our prayers are with their families. Certainly our country and the Indian American community will support them all the way and will come stronger out of this.